All right, so welcome, YouTube. For today, Monday, we're gonna cook the pizza hot dog. So, we're gonna need those two hot dog buns. I cut the end off so you can see the hot dog stick out. I'm gonna be using olive oil. I got pizza sauce so I don't have to make my own. If you do want to make your own, be free to do it. Pizza blend, and I have pepperoni, so we're gonna make the pizza dog. So like I said, the next 3 days are hot dog themed, so we're gonna cook these hot dogs in the pan. So just hit it up with some olive oil, and then we'll cook a couple hot dogs. Alright, YouTube, so you can see the quality of those hot dogs, but be free to use the type you want. Nathan, Ballpark, your cook, enjoy. So I'm going to cook these up, and then once we're done, we'll go to these buns and we'll make the pizza on top of the hot dogs. If you want, you could add mustard on top of the hot dogs, but I want to keep it pizza themed for me since I'm going to have to eat it. But this is your cook, and like there's so many different pizza sauces out there, so if you don't feel like making your own, buy one. Like this one was only like $2, so it's a lot easier to buy it than to make it. Alright, so you can hear the hot dog sizzling. So we're going to cook these, and then we're going to just make this hot dog. And then after today, the next one, like I said, is the cheddar barbecue Texas dog, and then the pepper relish dog, the next one. Alright, YouTube, so you can see that I'm continuing to cook the hot dogs. Cook them to the temperature you want to. Cook them out on your grill. Alright, YouTube, so we're done. I cooked the hot dogs up, and they browned, and these hot dogs smell really good. I wish you can smell this. Like I always say, smell-o-vision. Alright, so they're done. We turned off the stove, and we're gonna make the pizza dog. To melt the cheese and everything, you could always put it in the microwave. Like you could bake it or put it back in the pan with a cover and use heat to do it, but it's just as easy to put it in the microwave. Alright, YouTube, so you see that the hot dogs are done. I cut off the ends of the bun so the hot dogs stick out and you can enjoy the first crunch, but it's up to you. You don't have to. So now we're gonna top this, and we'll be there. Alright, so I opened the pizza sauce, and you can see that. So we're just gonna put some sauce on the dogs. Put as much as you want. It's your hot dog and your cook. So it's like I always say, do what you want. So there's the sauce. Alright, so we got the sauce on there. Now we're going to put the pizza cheese on there. Don't skimp on the cheese. Make it your hot dog. I tell you, there has to be over 100 hot dog combinations. I want to try to make them and make my own. Alright, so we got cheese on there. Next we're going to add the pepperoni. Alright, so we got that done. Next we're going to take the pepperoni, and we're making a pepperoni pizza on top of the hot dogs. Alright, so I'm going to throw this in the microwave for 20 seconds and we'll be done. Alright, YouTube, I had to put it in the microwave for 60 seconds, but that's your pizza hot dogs. So thanks for visiting my channel. I'm going to bring you more hot dogs in the future, like I said. Well, like I said, the next uploads are the barbecue cheddar dog and the pepper dog, but That's your pizza dog. So I cannot wait to eat this. So like I said, cooking is just using your imagination and trying different things. So thanks for visiting my channel. This is your Monday upload. Enjoy the hot dogs. Enjoy your summer. Stay safe in this heat. And I'll see you Tuesday or Wednesday with the next hot dog. God bless. Peace out, Dan Soy.